Hello again everyone, my name is Jose. I am a developer advocate for the TomTom Maps APIs.
Today, we're going to talk a little bit the new enhanced features of the Search API, specifically for the POI search. We work with many global and local companies to grow the coverage of our point of interest, as well as their quality and reliability. Recently, we partnered with Foursquare to provide an even better offer. Today, I would like to go over the APIs to use and create powerful search offerings in your applications. In today's video, we are going to discuss the POI details and how to get photos and extended information from such POIs.
In this example, we are going to take information from a flower store that I know in Mexico City.
Here are the steps we'll follow. First, we're going to find the location of the POI and get their ID. We're going to do that by using the Search API. Then, we're going to get the details and photos using that ID from the previous step. The POI Details API, which we will find the documentation here in this URL, provides the following information about point of interest, among other things: the current rating, the price range, 5 to 10 the most relevant user reviews, and the photo IDs that are going to be used for the POI Photos API that we will explain a little bit later. As I mentioned before, today we are looking for a flower store in Mexico City. This store is located around an area that I know is the lat and long location that you see in this core command in the screen. And this HTTP request will provide us with complete information about this POI, like the address, opening times, etc. But we are mostly interested in the ID that we get from the section in the JSON response called Data Sources. In here, we know if this POI information comes from Foursquare. And there is an ID there, and this is the ID that we need from now on. Using the POI details as presented here, we get the following JSON response. Here we see current ratings of this place, some reviews about it, and a list of photo IDs that we can use in order to fetch images. We can incorporate up to 10 reviews that represent the newest and the most relevant at the moment based on the Foursquare algorithms. Next, of course, we want to fetch some of these photos. In the last API call, we get a list of photo IDs. These IDs are used in the POI Photo API. For more details and background using on POI Photo, check out the documentation here. Let's get the first photo by executing the following HTTP request with this URL. Note that I did not request width or height explicitly. I want the full-size photo. Now, if you want a smaller version, a smaller one, like for example for a thumbnail, you can execute the following HTTP request with this URL where you explicitly request the size. Now I can even add it as a custom market to my map. In this video, I worked only with a flower store, but these APIs are available on all our categories. Take a look at this link to check them.
If you want to increase the appeal of the POIs for your applications, these two APIs will help you for sure. And for more inspiration, take a look at our tutorials, examples in our developer portal.
And of course, if you are stuck, help is only one line away in our forum.
And that is all for today. If you like these videos, please smash that like button. Thank you for watching and happy mapping!